TSM has been in business for over 40 years. We design, develop and manufacture material handling systems for the plastics industry. Insight is our latest innovation, which delivers a whole new level of value for both current and future clients.
Insight provides a performance management system for decision makers within a manufacturing environment. We provide real-time information from the OT world and the IT world to help them make better decisions within their manufacturing plants.
ThingWorx primarily is backed by PTC. We get grade 1 security, always very important for our customers. We actually use a hosted solution from PTC, so we get the whole 24/7 support. The plastics industry didn't have very good visibility of the actual material costs. We realized that all that information regarding accurate data measurement was stored on our blender devices. The aha moment was when we realized that bubbling this information up would allow them to adopt lean practices to streamline their processes. Another reason we use ThingWorx is because of their Kepware integration. So this gives us almost 300 different device protocols, so we can talk to other devices apart from TSM's proprietary blenders.
The partnership with PTC has been fantastic. It's helped us develop a lot faster than we expected. We've gone from a prototype to a beta to an alpha product, and now actually fully productized Insight. We have it running within a factory environment. But PTC, they're a global company. They've a massive development team, a lot of resources behind them, which has really speeded up our development path.
And one of the reasons we did go with PTC is the fact that they have a local representation here in Ireland through Honeycomb, and also a UK representation through Concurrent. We get the level of support, but with a local flavour, but also backed up by PTC in America, where most of our customers actually are based. So between PTC, Honeycomb and Concurrent, I think we've got ourselves pretty well covered.
The future for Insight is really interesting. We've made this transformation from our heritage of machine builder into software, and we can see that the next vertical we can go is open for us. There's a huge appetite to embrace it, so we're very excited about what's going to happen next.